Hey folks, 828 Find Adventure. Hey, we've got this 2017 Volkswagen Golf GTI. It is the Mk7. And we recently put some, new wheels, tires. The brakes needed to be redone because the rotors were in the front were really worn. There was a lot of valleys in them from, I guess, never having them turned. And we also had to put a rear caliper on the driver's side because it was leaking really bad out of that one bolt on the back that I think it's the emergency brake connects to. Anyways, I just wanted to talk to you about these Powerstop brakes. We ended up getting rotors and pads that were cross-drilled and slotted to go all the way around on this vehicle. The brakes have worked awesome. Not only do they look good, they actually function. Being cross-drilled, it keeps the brakes cool, so that prevents warping. This is especially necessary on Subarus the older Subarus that have little tiny rotors, or big trucks. If you're doing a lot of towing and you live in the mountains, you need to have a cross-drilled rotor on at least the front. The slotted is really only for track day. And, don't expect your brake pads to last if you have slotted rotors and take it to the track. Around town, it's going to be fine. So, the brakes I got are the Z23 Evolution Sport brakes. You can get them for front and rear, so I did that. They come with brake pads and the rotors. So what you get in the kit is 2 cross-drilled and slotted brake rotors, and you get a pair of Z23 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads with the hardware. Now, my front pads in the kit came with the wires you plug in, whatever that's for. On my Mk7, it did not need that. I couldn't find a place for it to plug in. So I have the smaller brake set. If you have the performance model, I believe those maybe plug in, or maybe the Mach 7.5, it needs the little wire on the front brake pads, but mine did not. So one thing to note is that these rotors have a silver zinc plating. So they're really a nice kind of silver color all the way around. And I know this prevents rust and corrosion, so they'll always look pretty good. And, that's kind of nice because, most rotors, they get really rusty really fast, especially if you live in damp areas or get a lot of rain. Both these carbon fiber ceramic pads and these cross-drilled and slotted rotors really increase your braking power and help you slow down really fast. The rotors go on really easy. The pads and rotors, I probably could have done that myself, but I also had to have them install a rear caliper on the driver's side. Now, those calipers are getting hard to come by for these Volkswagens. The dealer was like several weeks out, as usual. So I went through ECS Tuning for that. And I will put links to all of this below the video in the description. So look for that. And if you see anything else on this vehicle while you're watching this video, just ask, kind of reach out in the comment section if you need a link to something like the spoiler or whatever, or some interior parts, and I will send you a link to that where I got it. So, and one thing also, I got this Powerstop kit off of Amazon. You can get it at different, like AutoZone or Advanced Auto or something like that also, but I got them on Amazon because Amazon has easy returns. They still come with a 36-month, 36,000-mile warranty on this brake kit. So, and also remember, this kit's on Amazon. You can buy the front kit and then you can buy the rear kit. So, and they're fairly inexpensive, but really good quality. So check them out. Do your research. If you do your brakes yourself, that'll even save more money. But this is a good, economical way to get good quality brakes for your vehicle. And they look good. The slotted and drilled looks good. They're not really necessary for the back since the front brakes really do all the stopping on most cars. but they look good on the back, that's for sure. Well guys, I hope you really like this video on the Powerstop brake kits for the front and rear of the 2017 Golf GTI Mk7. You can also pick these up for the Mach 7.5 or the Performance Package Golfs or the Golf R. They sell those at Powerstop. They also sell caliper kits, but when I needed to get a caliper, I went through ECS Tuning. It was quick. I think they're in Ohio. That's a few states away, so it wasn't a problem. And, that's what I got for you. I wanted to share this with you because I'm really happy with this brake kit. And I'm happy with the looks and the performance and everything. Like I said, if you see anything on this car that you like and you want a link to it, just reach out to me and I'll send you a link. I'll also put a bunch of links under the video in the description. So be sure and check those out. And if you would, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. I love it all. And I will see you next time. See ya.